So I'm here at the First Choice Community Center in Columbia. We're gonna go inside and cook up some healthy recipes that taste great. Come on. Hey everyone, my name is Marcus Lattimore and I'm here with Brooke Brittain, a registered dietitian with SCDHEC SNAP program. And I'm excited about these ingredients that we have right here because I see chicken.
All right, Marcus is already a fan. Marcus, we are making quesadillas today. We like to call them colorful quesadillas, put a little healthy spin on them, kind of a recipe a lot of people like to eat. Have you guys had quesadillas before? Oh yeah, right? That's usually a standby favorite. So just gonna put our healthy spin on it. These are a hit in all of our SCDHEC SNAP Ed classes that we do with kids and adults. Everybody really seems to love these, Marcus. So what we do, some simple ingredients, fan favorite. That's right, brought you a fan favorite today. So we're gonna start with our ingredients. So this is a whole wheat tortilla. So instead of using the regular flour, the white ones, we use these whole wheat because they are whole grains. So you're packing more nutrition. Got that food group covered. So here's your mystery ingredient. In this bowl, they call it Neufchâtel. It's like cream cheese, just a little lower fat, lower calorie, has a lot of good flavor to it. So here's the purpose of it. It'll make it so the tortilla is not dry, and it also holds it together. So it kind of works like glue as well. So it does a couple things, and it's delicious. So it adds some good flavor. So in it, you might see, oh, it looks like there's something mixed in with it. Whole bunch of seasonings. Y'all know, Marcus, we use everything but a kitchen sink when we cook. So we got some black pepper, we got paprika, some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and your mystery ingredient for any Hispanic food, cumin. So if you're making a really good salsa, fajitas, tacos, you're gonna wanna use some cumin. That's the biggest thing. The other things we were using, garlic powder and onion powder, make sure you stick with the powders. When you got options in the store and it says garlic salt, onion salt, make sure you're grabbing that powder option. Because as you know, Marcus, high blood pressure is a big issue down south. So 100%. We're really trying to watch that sodium.
I mean, it gives it the same flavor.
It does, gives a great flavor and you're not getting all the salt. So we added that to our cream cheese mixture. So now you're probably seeing we got some vegetables, right? So what do we see in the bowls? What do you guys see?
Some white onions.
Yeah, some onions, a little bit of peppers, and then the spinach. So usually we'll switch it up here and we'll use some frozen chopped spinach. So I got 2 fresh ones, the onions and peppers, and then I also used a frozen option because like I said, it's good to switch up using fresh and frozen and canned options when you cook. So we use frozen chopped spinach, popped it in the microwave. Your other ingredient you're seeing is canned chicken. So a lot of people, for your protein, it's quick, it's easy, it's inexpensive. So we love using canned chicken, low fat, low calorie, just a good option. And then your cheese, we use some 2%, so lower fat cheese, and then a little bit of salsa on the side. So here's what we do first. So I'm gonna grab my tortilla. We're gonna get a little bit of the spread. So you don't have to put too much because this is where some of your fat and calories are. But like I said, it's gonna give it some flavor and also help hold that quesadilla together. So that is step 1 right there. Look good, everybody? All right, now we're gonna add some of the other ingredients. So I usually just kind of put it down the middle. You could put it all over the quesadilla. It's kind of up to you, however you want to build it. And you could also use some different types of vegetables. Some people might add some mushrooms in something like this. Marcus, I'm gonna get your help in a minute reaching those other 2 bowls. You could season the chicken as well if you like. Sometimes I do season my chicken just like I seasoned that spread. But again, canned chicken works really good in chicken salad and soups and stews. If you've been to one of those Super Bowl parties and they had buffalo chicken dip, that was probably canned chicken that you had. And a little bit of that shredded cheese. But again, just one of these kind of low cost, real quick and easy meals. So Marcus got my cheese on there as well. So that looks great. How's that look so far? Does that look good? Got a lot of color. You could also add, different colored peppers to it. So again, I'm gonna hit a little heat to my electric skillet. I love these. We use these a lot in our classes. We cook all kinds of different dishes in them. The oil, so remember, you wanna use canola oil for anything you're using some high heat for. Olive oil is great to toss things in, kind of cook things low and slow, but the olive oil does burn, so you have to be careful with that temperature. That's already smelling good. We hadn't even cooked it yet. So easiest thing is just gonna cook for a couple minutes on each side. We're basically browning the bottom and the top. We'll flip it, and I'll let Marcus in charge of the flipping. Hit that in the pan. Get a little heat to it. Get a little sizzle.
Is there a certain temperature we should try to keep?
I do typically kind of turn these up maybe closer to 370, 400 on this, just it'll cook pretty fast. But the biggest thing is your canned chicken is already cooked, so that's where you're saving all that time, which is fantastic. What you think, Marcus? Think we're looking good?
I think we're looking good.
All right,
Yeah,
let's
I think
go
that'll
ahead.
do it.
I'm gonna have you slip that right on my little pan here, and we are gonna cut it. All right, you guys ready to taste? All right, it might be kind of hot, so you might need to blow on it a little bit, but let's see what you think about our healthy quesadilla, chicken, cheese, and a whole bunch of veggies.
It even looks good. It
does.
looks good. It looks good.
We'll have to make another one for us, Marcus.
Sure.
For
We'll
sure.
make our own.
Okay. What do we think? It's good? Got some good flavor? Taste
Pretty
those
good.
herbs and spices too? Great. Well, thanks guys. I
Pretty
appreciate
good.
you tasting it.
Well, thank you for being here, Brooke. And
Absolutely.
eating right is a big part of being first choice fit. That's why we're so happy to have these quesadillas today that are healthy.